Welcome to the AI-optimized college application tracker, an advanced tool designed to help students and families manage the college application process with clarity, structure, and the power of artificial intelligence. Whether you're applying to a few schools or dozens, this tracker keeps every step organized. Start on the Begin Here tab. This is your orientation space. It walks you through how the tracker works, which order to complete the tabs in, and what each section is for. Here is where you'll also find helpful reminders. Review this page first before inputting any data. Next is the ChatGPT guide. This tab provides ready-made prompts you can copy and paste into ChatGPT or any language model to generate essays, personal statements, letters of recommendation drafts, and more. These prompts are designed to reduce the mental load and help you create high-quality application materials quickly. Use the Optimize with AI tab to access a series of AI prompts tailored for college applications, including essays, supplemental responses, and activity descriptions. These can be pasted into ChatGPT for rapid drafting or edits. This tab helps you stay organized across schools. For each college, store the application link and the exact version of your personal statement, supplemental essay, and prep materials used for that school. Finally, the Tracker tab is where everything comes together. You'll log all schools you're applying to, track deadlines, requirements, monitor application status, and record outcomes. This bird's eye view keeps your entire application process streamlined and on schedule. Go into more detail about the built-in features like the impending deadline alerts, the calendar drop-down for dates, the dashboard, filter options, etc. With the AI-optimized college application tracking system, the interviews are bound to start rolling in, and this tracker can even help you keep track of those as well. And that's it. This workbook will help you stay on track and make your graduate school search way easier. If you found this helpful, like, share, and follow us on social media. Happy college hunting!